Hi guys, today we'll be learning how to use this DHT11 sensor. This is a temperature and humidity sensor that you can use with either an ESP32 or an Arduino. So we'll be using this ESP32 to measure temperature and humidity. We start by connecting it to the breadboard like this. Then we connect the left pin of the sensor to the ground of the ESP32, and then the rightmost pin to 3.3 volt of the ESP32 like this. Then this middle pin connects to a GPIO pin or a digital pin of the ESP32. We connect it to pin 21 and the wiring is complete. So here it is. You can see the LED is on, meaning it's connected correctly. So let's upload the code. This is the code we will have to upload. Here it is. You have the upload, you should open the serial monitor and you'll be able to see the temperature and the humidity readings. Let's see the temperature and the humidity readings from the sensor, and this is how you measure you wire the sensor. And say thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe.